from this to this. Out of the box, it's at 15 feet. But once we apply water to the hose goes from 15 feet and expands to 50 feet. There's where it was before it was filled, and now you have more than double in length. Sturdy copper fittings on both ends, and you have a sprinkler with 9 variations in the nozzle. And here we go, taking the water out of it, and it shrinks back to normal size. And there it is. All the pressure's out, and it's back to 15 feet. Hang it up in a shed, or hang it right on a spigot. It's up to you. Get rid of the clutter.